Master, what's wrong with this phone? It sometimes charges, sometimes doesn't. Let's directly replace it with the JCID Charge Connector Flex cable. Shut down the phone. Remove the screws and the bottom. Tear down the phone. Apply a protective sticker. Remove the screen. Remove the motherboard and SIM tray. This is the Charge Connector Flex cable. Remove the Taptic engine and speaker. Take out the original Charge Connector Flex cable. Now replace it with our JCID Flex cable. Remove the adhesive. Align it properly and install. Reinstall the Taptic engine and speaker. Reinstall the motherboard and SIM tray. Install the screen back. Power on the phone. Plug in the charger. Charging issue successfully fixed.